Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Workspace for business in 2023. Google Workspace offers a suite of powerful productivity tools designed to enhance collaboration, communication, and organization within your business. So, in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the key feature and steps to get started with Google Workspace. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you have in your PC or your preferred. Once you have that browser on, you can simply set up your Google Workspace account. So to begin using Google Workspace for your business, you will need to set up an account. You'll simply have to visit the Google Workspace website and select the plan that best suits your need. Follow the prompts and to provide your business informations and select your domain and set up administrator credential. Then make sure to even access the Google Workspace admin console. Once your Google Workspace account is set up, you can access the admin console. Of course, this is where you will manage your Google Workspace settings, users' accounts, and other administrative tasks. So sign in to the admin console using your administrator credentials. For me, I'm just going to admin.google.com. And of course, I'm signing into my admin. Of course, if you want like me to help you with those tips, I've made 2 videos before on how to create a Google Workspace account and even how to set it up. You can go and find that on the previous videos on this channel. So for me, I'm just going to access my admin account. And from here, of course, if you want to have your account for business or if you want to use your Google Workspace for business, let's start by customizing your Google Workspace settings. So in the admin console, you can customize various settings and to align Google Workspace with your business requirements. Explore options like company informations, organization units, security settings, email routing, and even more. So take some time to configure these settings to optimize your Google Workspace experiments depending on whatever you need. So whatever you need, of course, you'll be able to do it however you want. And of course, make sure to even create some users accounts. With Google Workspace setup, you can now create some users accounts for your team members or employees. In the admin consoles, you can navigate to this left panel and you'll have to find users. As you can see, you will find this on directory, users, and click on that. You can even pin some options if they are very useful to you. As you can see, if you pin something, it will be pinned to the top and you will not have to go always and search about us. Of course, this will work best with apps if you're looking for apps. So you don't have to go always and click through all of this. You can simply pin the app that you are using the most. Here, as we said, we'll be able to create some users accounts. If you want to create some users account, as we said, go to users, then simply you'll be here. From here, make sure to go and of course you will find your account normally here. From this account, you'll be to reset the password or update user or even more options like add into group, email user, restore data, or change organizational units. And as we said, we'll be able to add new user. So click on add a new user. This tab will open to you. And here, the necessary information that you have to fill. Of course, you will notice them by a star right here. Other things are just mandatory, are just optional, not mandatory like those 3. First thing, so what you'll have to fill, mandatory or necessary, it's going to be the first name, last name, and primary email. Then the secondary email or phone number are just optional, so you can put them or you can just leave them. After you fill the first name, last name, and primary email, let me just go with something like that. I'm just going with random stuff here. So here, you'll have to go and manage user's password, organizational units, and profile photo. Click on it, and you'll be able to manage the organizational units if you have more than one. Upload a profile photo for this user. As an example, you'll have to choose from your PC. So let's just say you are going to do this. And here, of course, as you can see, passwords, you'll be able to do automatically generate a strong password within 16 characters, and you will be able to view and copy the password in the next step. Or you'll be able to choose this option of creating a password and you can create your password however you want. You can even uncheck this option or check it depending on whatever you want. So if you check this option, this will ask the user to change their password when they sign in the first time into this user account that you are going to create. If you don't want them to change the password, make sure to uncheck this option and you will be good to go. Fill all the informations that you have and simply go and click on add new user and you will definitely find it here. Once it's there, of course, you can always go and delete this user. As you can see, this is the only user and this is the main user or the admin, so I cannot delete this. But for you, if you have other users, you'll be able to delete them or change the password or do whatever you want with those users. You can assign appropriate rules and permissions based on their responsibilities within your organization. Then, of course, you'll be able to explore like Gmail for email communication. So Gmail is one of the components or core components of Google Workspace. It offers a powerful email solution for your business. Users can access Gmail through the web interface, mobile apps, or even desktop email clients. Explore features like labels, filters, search, priority inbox, and integrations with other Google Workspace apps to enhance email productivity. And of course, you'll be able even to collaborate with Google Drive. So if you go to the home, as you can see, you'll be able from here to find your normally every information you need. And let's just skip those options. So here, if you go now to apps and click on Google Workspace, as you can see, you'll find here Drive and Docs. If you click on it, you'll be able to collaborate with Drive. You'll have to put it on. As you can see, on for everyone, on for everyone. If it's off, make sure to toggle it on. It's going to be pretty simple to do so. Make sure to click on it and click on for everyone. And from there, you'll be able now to change the settings however you want, depending on whatever you want. You will not be able just to collaborate with Google Drive. You'll be able to collaborate with a lot of features that you'll find here. So Google Drive, Docs, Gmail, Current, Cloud Search, Calendar, App Sheets, Tasks, Keep, a lot of stuff that you can do here. So Google Chats, Google Meet. You may like heard of some of them before. You can even, other than that, schedule and organize with Google Calendar if you want to. You'll be able even to conduct virtual meetings with Google Meet and even collaborate in real time with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. You can even enhance your communication with Google Charts if you want to. So, depending on what you want. And you can, of course, provide training and support. So once you introduce like your Google Workspace to your team, it's important to provide training and support to them, and you will normally be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to use Google Workspace and for business in 2023. Remember to provide training and support to help your team make the most of Google Workspace. So thank you for watching and enjoy the benefits of using Google Workspace for your business. If you liked this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorial like this one, and I will see you in the next video.